My nails are jewels, I wear them like gold. Every shape, every line, every story gets told. I don't trust these hands to just anyone. If you touch my nails, you better know what you've done. Precision, vision, talent and style. Real artists make perfection worth the while. Not just color, not just shine. This is art and these hands are mine. A little patience, a little fire. Skill turns beauty into desire. But every magic needs the right start, the right tools, the right products, the right heart. My nails, my treasure, my signature glow. I know who I trust and I know where I go. Nail designers, artists, magicians at work, turning every detail into something that sparks. But magic needs the right ingredients, quality, precision, no accidents. You want the look, you want the art, you make the magic with nailARTS. I see a master in every clean line, every perfect curve, every flawless design. These aren't just nails, they're a piece of me. Luxury, attitude, creativity. You can have the talent, you can have the spark, but the wrong products won't create the art. So choose what performs, choose what lasts. Real magic starts with nailARTS. My nails, my treasure, my art. Only the best from the very start. Artists make magic, that's the part. The right ingredients, nailARTS. My nails are jewels, I wear them like gold. Every shape, every line, every story gets told. I don't trust these hands to just anyone. If you touch my nails, you better know what you've done.